Okay, well, welcome. We are going to work a couple of problems with setting up word problems. You're going to define a variable, and then we are going to set up the equation that you would need to use to solve the word problem. We are not solving these, we are just practicing setting them up. So you will see that I have a question here that said there are 12 more girls than boys in the classroom. So the first thing you will do is you will make a girls and you will make a boys section. All right, who are we comparing everything to in this problem? It says there are 12 more girls than boys. Everything is being compared to the boys. So we will define our variable for B as boys. Now, how can we define girls based on the boys? Well, it says right here that there were 12 more girls than boys. So girls would be B, boys total, plus 12 more for the girls total. And that is the answer to section A, or part A. Now, part B says there are a total of 22 students in the classroom, which means you would say the boys plus the girls in the classroom gives you, and it says in our problem, 22. You'll take the boys total, which here is B, and I will put a B. Bring down the addition. What is the girls total? Well, the girls total is B plus 12. I will put the girls total. Now, I put this parenthesis in here because I want to make sure that I understand that this is the boys and this is the girls, and I need them separated, because if I ever do have multiple math operations, I need to keep those together, whether it's a boy or a girl. And then I put 22. And that's your answer. That's all you have to do. You have to define the variables, which we did. Then we have to write an equation. We're not solving it. That's all we're doing. That's how simple this is. Don't make it any harder than it has to be. All right, the next one says Claire sold 25 more cards than Alice. So we have Claire and we have Alice. Claire sold 25 more cards. She sold 25 more cards than Alice, which means everything is based off of Alice. And then Claire sold 25 more than Alice, so Alice's total plus the 25. That has taken care of part A. Part B says Claire, that should say Alice, sorry. Claire and Alice sold a total of 211 cards. So Claire plus Alice equals 211. Again, in this problem, I don't want you solving it. I just want you to tell me what the equation is. Well, what is Claire? Claire is, wherever I see Claire, I'm going to put A plus 25. And since that is, there's math involved in that, I'm going to put them in a parenthesis. Now, what was Alice? Alice was simply A. So I will put an A there in place of Alice. And then I'll put 211. And that is my answer.